Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss the remaining part of the Velveteen Rabbit which we had discussed in the previous class. Yes, at the previous topic we had discussed that the real love of the boy make the toy into be a real toy, a real rabbit. So, let us see how the rabbit become real and what's happened to it. When the little boy heard that there was a happy, for he know that the skin horse had said was true at last. The nursery magic had happened to him and he was a toy no longer, he was real, the boy himself had said it. Now the word which is said by the boy, the rabbit heard that and become very happy. Why? Because the skin horse had said already, because of the nursery magic, when the person loves you more, really we will become a real. That word become true. Now, so he was real. Now the toy, he was not a toy, he is a real, because the boy himself stated the statement. That night he was almost too happy to sleep, and so much love stirring in his little sardust heart that is almost burst. So, in what happened that particular night, it is very happy, and the sardust heart, it means why they are mentioning this. Now the rabbit is imagining that it was a real one, but it is not real, just the rabbit is imagining himself that it is a real rabbit. Now they are mentioned that sardust, still it is a toy, but the imagination had taken it to be the real. So, now the sardust heart is going to be burst with the happiness. Manasu naranjirukku solluva, that is the thing. And into his boots button eye, and that had long lost their polish, they came to look to wisdom and the beauty, so that even Nana noticed this the next morning when she picked him up and said, I declare it that the old Benny hasn't got quite knowing expression. So, because of the happiness, how the eyes are looking, it has some expression. By seeing that, Nana said that it was that if that old Benny hasn't got quite knowing expression. By seeing that, it's showing the eye is the eye have a power. By seeing that, it's showing some expression. That was the wonderful summer. Near the house there was a wood, and in a long June evening the boy liked to go there for after the tea to play. He took the Velveteen Rabbit with him, and before he warned off to pick the flowers. So, the next, what happened? The wonderful summer it is near their house there is an wood. Wood means forest. There is an wood is there. So, on the month of June evening, the boy wants to go there after taking the tea. So, he went with the Velveteen Rabbit there. Or play at the brigade amongst the trees, and he always made the rabbit a little nest somewhere among the bracken. Bracken is it is a branch of the fairy plant, that is a bracken. He should be quite quasi, for he was kind hearted little boy and like Benny to be the comfortable, because he was very kind. So, wherever you go, he will prepare, he will build one small nest for the Benny, because he need Benny to be comfortable. One evening while the rabbit was lying there alone watching the ant and run to and fro between the velvet path in the grass, he saw the two strange beings crept out of the tall bracken near them. That is the bracken, I already told, these are branches of the frame plants. So, one evening the rabbit had the Velveteen Rabbit had noticed that two rabbits are playing there. The strange why two ants are there. He saw two strange beings creep out of the tall brackens near him. So, two strange means the unknown thing is creeping, means mala eri, they are going on the branches of the tree. They were rabbits like himself, but quite fur and brand new. They must have been very well made. For their seams did show at all. They changed their shape in the queer way. They will move. 1 minute they were long and thin, and the next minute fat and bunchy. So, the ants are going to and fro, ants are going there, and two more rabbits, strange rabbits is also there. It is just they are creeping on the tall branch, and while seeing the rabbit, how it is a furry means nalla that is furry, it is more fat, and it must have been very well made. How it is, the Velveteen Rabbit is thinking that it was made, not it was grown. It don't know the difference because it is a toy. and how it is looking like. It seems to be it is changing the shapes, because sometime it is running and sometime it is sitting. So, while running it will look like very long, while sitting it will look like a fatty. So, they are changing the shape, but this toy can't able to change the shape. This velvet rabbit can't able to change their shape. So, their feet padded softly on the ground and they creep quietly close to him, twisting their nose while the rabbit stare hard to see. This side the clockwork stung out, for he know that the people who jump generally have something to wind up them, but he could not see it. They were evidently a new kind of the rabbit altogether. So, even these rabbits are seeing that velvet rabbit, they are find that it is somewhat different. Generally the rabbit will jump, but this rabbit is not jumping, it is sitting there. They stare at him, the little rabbit stare back, and all the time their nose switches. So, by seeing that they both are seeing each other. And why don't you get up and play with us? One of them asked. So, one of the rabbit is asking to the velvet rabbit, why you are not playing, why you are sitting. He don't feel like, said the rabbit. He is telling it's not like to play. For he don't want to explain that he had no clockwork. That the velvet rabbit don't like to explain the strange rabbits that they don't know how to play also. Oh, said the furry rabbit, it's as easy as anything, and he gave a big hop aside way and stood on the hind limb. These rabbits are teaching that velvet rabbit how to walk, because hind limbs is a leg which is the front part, this is hind limb. So, you have to hop means you have to jump, sideway means you have to jump sideway, and you have to use your leg to walk. I don't believe you can, he said. Real rabbits are telling to the velvet rabbit that you can't able to do. They are thinking in that way. I can, said the little rabbit. The velvet rabbit is telling that he can able to walk. I can jump higher than anything. The rabbit is telling, the velvet rabbit is telling that, replying that it can able to jump as any higher than anything. It can able to jump very high. He mean that the boy throw him a put, but of course he did not want to say so. So, when the boy throws the rabbit, it can go for any height, but it can't able to jump by itself. It is a problem. Can you hop on your hind limbs? Asked the furry rabbit. The furry rabbits are asking whether you can able to jump with your hind limbs. That was a dreadful question, for the velvet rabbit had no hind legs at all. The back of him was made up of all in one piece, like the pincushion. He sat till in the brackens and hoped that they were another rabbit could not notice. So, what happened? The velvet rabbit know, because it is made up of one single piece of rabbit. You don't have a folding and the hind limbs or the forelimbs. Simply it is hind limbs. Hind limbs means, sorry, it is a back leg. So, it can't able to jump. I don't want to, he said again. The rabbit said, again the velveteen rabbit is telling that it don't want to jump. But the wild rabbits had been a very sharp eyes, and they once stretched out its necks and looked. So, what happened? The wild rabbit means the furry rabbits, they are stretching their neck up and they are searching. And they began to laugh, they are started to laugh each other. I hasn't got any hind limbs, he called out the fancy rabbit without any hind limbs, and he began to laugh. I have cried the little cried the little rabbit, I have got hind limbs, I am sitting on them. So, now the rabbit is replying, the little rabbit, the velvet rabbit is telling it have a hind limb, but these peoples are refusing that they don't have a hind limbs, because it is made up of fancy. It is looking a fancy means it is looking something new. Then stretch them out and show me like this, said the wild rabbit. The wild rabbit is asking the velvet rabbit to show their hind limbs. And he began to round round and dance till the little rabbit got quite dizzy. So, they are making fun of the velveteen rabbit, and they are going around and they are dancing till the velveteen rabbit get quite dizzled, it become unconscious. I don't like dancing, he said, I don't rather sit still. But all the while he was longing to dance, for the furry new tricky feeling ran through him, and he felt he could give anything in the world to be able to jump about this like this rabbit did. So, it has a longing in its heart because this rabbit is can't able to jump like a wild furry rabbit. It has a feeling it can't able to do, but this velveteen rabbit is not able to jump like as the real rabbit. The strange rabbit stopped dancing and came quite close. He came so close this time, and this long whiskered brushed the velveteen rabbit ear, and then he twinkled his nose suddenly and flattened his ears and jumped backward. So, now these rabbits, they come close to the velveteen rabbit and they are the long whisker brushed the velveteen rabbit. அப்படினா இந்த மீசை இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுது, இப்படி தடவி விடுது, அதோட காதெல்லாம் இது பண்ணுது, velveteen rabbit ஓட காதில் என்ன பண்ணுது, தடவி விடுது. He does smile, right? He explained that he isn't a rabbit at all. He isn't real. I am real, said the little rabbit. I am real. The boy said so, and he nearly became to cry. So, now what happened? This wild fairy rabbits, they are telling the rabbit is not real at all. Because of that, this furry little rabbit, the velveteen rabbit, started to cry, and it says that it is real. I am real. I am real. Simply the boy said so. The boy also said that I am real. He is replying that same thing, and it started to cry. Then just then there was a sound of the footsteps. The boy ran past near them, and with a stump of a feet and the flash of the white tail, the two strange rabbit disappeared. By seeing the boy, what happened? This rabbit, those were sitting near the velveteen rabbit, the real rabbit, they disappeared. Na and maranju poradhu. Come back and play with me, called the little rabbit. Oh, do come back, I know I am real. So again the velveteen rabbit, the little rabbit is calling the real rabbits to come and play with it. But there was no answer. Only the little ants ran to and fro, and the bracken swept gently. Where the two strangers had passed, the velveteen rabbit was all alone. Only the thing is there is an ant. Other than that, no one is there. Simply the velveteen rabbit is alone there. No one is hearing what the velveteen rabbit is telling. Oh dear, he thought, why didn't they run away like this? Why don't they stop and talk to me? For a long time he lay there very still, watching the brackens and hoping that they could come back, but they never returned. And present the sun sank lower, and the little white moth fluttered out, and the boy came and carried him home. So, till the sunset no one came. Simply the rabbit is sitting there still, watching the brackens. Brackens I told you, the branches of the friend plants. So, hoping they will come back, but they had not returned back till the evening. The boy came and he carried the velveteen rabbit to the home. Week passed. The little rabbit grew very old and shabby, but the boy loved him just as much. He loved him so hard, and they loved all his whiskers off, and the pink line to his ears turned grey, and his brown spot faded. Even began to lose his shape, and he scarcely looked like a rabbit anymore, except to the boy. So, what happened now? This weeks are getting past, the days are moving. The little rabbit go very old and shabby. It's becoming old as well as it is becoming shabby, means ugly. It's not good looking, good, ugly. And but the boy loved it just as much. The boy is loving the rabbit very much, and he loved so hard. The love between the boy and the rabbit is going becoming more, and he loved the whisker. Even the pink lined ear had the color was faded. Even it is the boy loved the rabbit. It's began to lose its shape. The shape of the rabbit has changed, even though it's not looking like a rabbit, but the boy loved the rabbit very much. To him he was always beautiful, and that was all the little rabbit cared about. So, for the boy, the rabbit is looking beautiful. He did not mind how he looked to the other people, because the nursery magic had made him real, and when you are real, shabbiness does not matter. So, the nursery magic had made the rabbit to be real, because the nursery magic is a love which the owner has on the toy. It's really make it real, but it does not bothering about the real shabbiness of the real shabby. It does not matter for that the shabbiness. And then one day the boy was ill. What happened? One day the boy became ill. His face grew very flat, and his face become very flat, means he is become very weak and is very pale. He talked with in his sleep, and the little boy body was too hot that he burned the rabbit. When he held him close, strange people came and went into the nursery, and the little burned all the light burned all night, and through it all the little velvetian rabbit lay here, hidden from the sight under the bedclothes, and he never stirred, for he was afraid that if they had found him, someone might have taken him away, and he knew that the boy needed him. It was a long weary time, for the boy was too ill to play, and the little rabbit found it rather dull with nothing to do all the day long. But he snatched down patiently and looked forward to the time when the boy should be well again, and they were go out in the garden among the flowers and the butterflies, play splendid games in the raspberries thickens like they used to. So now the boy become ill, he can't able to play with the rabbit, then he is very hot. When he come close to the rabbit, what will happen? Because of the heat temperature of his body, it might burn the velvetian rabbit. It's too hot, so he was suffered with a fever. So he is very weak also, he can't able to play with the toy. So what happened? The toy is remembering all the days which he had played with the rabbit, where they went to the wood and how they had played there with the raspberries and the flowers and the butterflies. Is imagining all, it's recalling, it's a memory what they, how they had played in their past days. All sort of the delightful things he planned, and what are the things he had planned. And while the boy lay half asleep, he crept up close to the pillow and whispered them in his ear, and presently the fever turned and the boy got better. So now the all sort of delighted plan what the rabbit had planned, it went near the boy and it's whispering அப்படினு அது காதுக்குள்ள சொல்லுது, நம்ம இப்பெல்லாம் போய் விளையாடலாம் அப்படினு. At present what happened? The fever of the boy become all right, he become better. He was able to sit up in the bed and look at the picture books while the little rabbit curled close to at its side, and one day they let him dress up and get up and dress. So what happened? He become normal and he is looking through the pictures, and the velvet rabbit is sitting close to him. And one day what happened? Someone came and he dressed him up and making him to get up, and they dressed him. It was a bright sunny morning and the window stood wide open. They all carried the boy out of the balcony, wrapped in the shawl, and the little rabbit lay tangled up and among the bedclothes thinking. So what happened? Now it is a bright sunny morning, so it means it represents the summer season. The window was stood wide open, the window was open, and they carried the boy to the balcony. How? They are wrapping him, covering him with a shawl, and the little rabbit tangled up among the bedcloth thinking. The little rabbit is still there and lying on the bedcloth and thinking about what is happening around. The boy was going to be seaside tomorrow. The rabbit is thinking that boy was going to the seaside tomorrow. Everything was arranged, and now it was only remained to carry out the doctor's order. So everything was arranged, only the doctor has to give the command that they have to take the boy to the seaside. They talk about it all, and while the little rabbit lay under the bedcloth with just a head peeping out, and listened. So they are what are the things is happening around the home? Just this rabbit is lying on the bedcloth and it's listening what they are talking. The room was of disinfected, and all the books and the toys the boy had played in this bed must be burned. So they had said disinfected na kirimi nasarni telikiradu. What we are doing now, we are cleaning everything. So what are the toys and what are the books he had played that they have to burnt. Now what happened? Hooray, it means it's alas, we are thinking, sudden bad expression, it's thinking thoughts the little rabbit. Tomorrow we shall go to the seaside, for the boy had often taken to the seaside and wanted very much to see the big waves coming in and the tiny crabs and the sand castle. Just the Nana caught sight of him. So this rabbit is thinking that he might have taken to the seaside. Usually the boy like to see. The boy like to go for the seaside and he will enjoy the waves, big waves. So he is thinking, the little rabbit is thinking the rabbit will also go with him. So thank you my dear students. Let us discuss the remaining topic in the next class.